Hi, my name is Betty. I'm in Minnesota, and my favorite product is, at least my favorite product today, is Serenity. I have kind of some problems sometimes with focusing. I'm always thinking about different things, kind of an ADHD type of situation. My sister, who's a professor at a university, also has the same issue. And what I found was that if I put Serenity, a couple of drops on my head, and I put a little bit on the back of my hand so I can smell of it any time that I want, what it does is it just kind of calms me down. It helps me to focus. It really helps to improve my mental clarity. And I use it before the meetings, because when we before the classes that we have, the events, because when I get to an event or a class and I get around people, I just get really excited because there's that energy exchange. And sometimes I just need to kind of calm down a little bit and be a little bit more you know, like calm, be a little bit more balanced. So Serenity, it's really hard to choose a favorite product, but Serenity is right at the top of my list.
Thank you.